guys!
Hi guys!
Today, samahan nyo kami to explore one of the historical and vibrant town in Cavite. Walang iba kundi ang Silang.
Ayun sila.
Sabi rin sa kwento, ang pangalan ng Silang ay galing sa salitang Sinangan or East dahil nasa eastern part ito ng Cavite. Pero may iba rin na naniniwala na ito ay nagmula sa Isigilang kasi daw parang biglang isigilang ang simbahan sa gitna ng bayan.
At kung nature trip naman ang hanap nyo, meron tayong Sui National Beach or ang Cabot na perfect for mga adventurers.
Silang is a first-class municipality and its economy is mainly driven by agriculture, lalo na sa pineapple at coconut farming. Pero hindi lang yan, meron din silang manufacturing at trade businesses, both local and foreign, na patuloy na nagpapalago sa bayan. May population na almost 266,000 with 64 barangays. Ang dami, no?
And now, meet the amazing leaders of Silang. Mayor, General Edward Ted Carranza, Vice Mayor, Engineer Mark Anthony Toledo, at ang mga members ng Sangguniang Bayan, Jane Reyes, Ivan Chester Amutan, Aristides, Jose Virgilio Velasco, Perpetuo Nasinganyo, Luis Junjang Matinggal, Juan Carlo Matlangsakay, Eric Coquiat Garcia, and Godofredo Freddy Magnay. Ang leader ng mga barangay President ay si Chris Kidlat Reyes at ang SK Federation President ay si Jasper Marcos Anarnon. Power team talaga.
Moving on sa cultural beliefs and festivals. Silang is super rich in culture and faith. Majority are Roman Catholic and they celebrated through colorful events like ang Silang Music Festival and Sumilang Festival. Ang patron saint nila ay si Our Lady of Candelaria, also known as Our Lady of Candles. Sobrang meaningful kasi to symbolize the light of Christ. Her feast day is celebrated every February 2 with full devotion and community spirit.
Sa Silang, the main languages spoken are Tagalog, English, and Filipino. A unique dialect used especially by older generations. Ang galing, di ba?
And that's a wrap. Our doleful trip around Silang Cavite, a town na puno ng kasaysayan, kultura at pagmahal sa bayan. From ancient churches to delicious fruits and the faith-filled community. Truly, Silang is a gem of Philippine history.
Kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe. Ako nga pala si Miguel Ambating.
Ako nga pala si Rainier.
Ako si Michael Enriquez.
Thank you for watching our vlog for reading in Philippine history.
See you
sa
next lakad
natin. Paalam mga ka-istorya.
Alam.